Struggling to find the Create button in the new Google Calendar? Master events and meetings in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through every click, from creating an event to sending invites. Let's start with the basics. Start by clicking the Create button in the upper left corner. Then select Event from the drop-down menu. Now give your event a title by typing it into the Event Title field. Next, pick the date for your event by clicking on the Date selector. Then set the start and end times using the time pickers. If it's an all-day event, check the All-Day box. Otherwise, uncheck it, and you can select a time zone, which is helpful when participants are in different zones. To add guests, click on the Guests section. Type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Then click on each email address to add them to the guest list. Choose your preferred video conference software from the options provided. Next, click Add Location to specify where the event will take place. Enter a location or description if you like. Then, click on the location to confirm it. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the event. Finally, click Send to email the invitation to your guests. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.